Most SaaS teams don't struggle with growth. They struggle with everything around it. Payroll tools don't sync. Compliance feels reactive. Financial data lives in silos. What should be a clean system turns into constant back and forth between tools that were never built to work together. That's the real bottleneck. In this SaaS track breakdown, we're not listing features. We're looking at how 4 core platforms, Gusto, Xero, Zoho, and QuickBooks, actually perform when it matters most. From your first hire to handling multi-region finances, this is about how well your stack holds up under real operational pressure. Gusto, the dream platform for modern teams. The journey with Gusto begins with a simple message. It's time to move on from legacy payroll providers. As seen in the platform's introduction, Gusto positions itself as the dream platform for small businesses, replacing clunky manual systems with a modern automated workflow. Upon logging in, as shown in the real-world dashboard for Globosoft, the user is greeted by a clean, white space optimized interface. The payroll setup timeline is the focal point, providing a clear checklist to get started. Whether you are at 10% or 48% completion, the progress bar ensures you know exactly what's left, from filling out the company profile to adding payroll details and team members. The sidebar navigation provides quick access to the entire people ecosystem. Under the People tab, you manage hiring, performance, and learning. More importantly, the Taxes and Compliance section acts as an automated assistant, handling tax setups, filings, and upcoming deadlines. The platform provides a transparent view of accounts and filings, ensuring business owners stay compliant without needing an in-house expert. For teams with hourly workers, the Time and Attendance module is built directly into the workflow. You can manage time of requests, track employee hours, and set up pay schedules. The system proactively flags action-required items, such as setting up a pay schedule to ensure that time tracking is synchronized perfectly with the upcoming pay date. Gusto offers unparalleled flexibility regarding cash flow. During the setup phase, you can choose your preferred payment speed, ranging from the standard 4-day turnaround to the most popular 2-day option, or even next-day payroll for qualified accounts. This allows you to view your specific payroll deadlines and first payday dates clearly on a calendar view before committing. Beyond HR, the Money tab transforms Gusto into a financial command center. The smarter cash flow dashboard provides real-time visibility into connected bank accounts, total income, and spending. Visual charts break down expenses into categories like payroll and contractor payments, giving owners a clear bird's-eye view of their financial health. The best part of the Gusto experience is the lack of risk. There is no financial commitment required until you actually run your first live payroll. You can set up your account, explore the tools, and integrate your team for free, making it the most accessible and user-friendly people platform available for growing businesses today. Xero, the beautiful accounting and analytics ecosystem in our real world. Walkthrough of the SaaS track dashboard. Xero provides an 8-step setup guide to ensure you hit the ground running. The business overview gives you instant visibility into your business bank account balances and reconciliations. Unlike legacy software, Xero visually prioritizes your invoices owed to you and bills to pay, allowing you to see your net profit or loss at a glance for any given period. Xero's analytics engine, as seen in our recording, breaks down complex data into digestible charts. You can track net income and total income month over month to monitor growth trends. The Cash Flow Manager provides a 30-day projection, allowing you to switch between graph, table, and calendar views to anticipate upcoming ins and outs. This proactive approach helps business owners make data-driven decisions rather than reacting to bank balances. The pay run process begins at the top navigation bar. Simply head to the payroll menu and select Pay Employees. This screen serves as your historical hub, where you can view all previous draft and posted pay runs, as well as their STP, Single Touch Payroll, filing status. To start a new cycle, click the plus Add Pay Run button. Xero allows for complete flexibility here. You can select from various pay frequencies, whether it's fortnightly, weekly, or monthly. Once you select the relevant period ending date, click Next to generate the employee list. Xero then populates a list of all employees included in that cycle, such as Evan Glacier or James LeBron. Before finalization, it is crucial to verify the data. By clicking on an employee's name, you can view their individual payslip. A key efficiency feature is the hyperlink icon next to the earnings total. This indicates that the hours have been pulled automatically from an approved timesheet, reducing the risk of manual entry errors. Xero's true strength lies in its integration. Through the App Hub, Xero's connects with tools like Deal, Jibble, and most importantly, Gusto. Because Gusto is Xero's preferred payroll partner, every pay runs a process, complete with tax holdings and reimbursements, syncs automatically to your general ledger. This eliminates manual data entry and ensures your financial reports are always up to date. Ultimately, Xero's payroll module is a masterclass in set it and forget it accounting. It is robust enough to handle complex tax requirements while remaining simple enough for any small business owner to navigate. When used alongside Gusto, it provides a 360-degree view of your company's most valuable asset, its people. Zoho Payroll, the compliance powerhouse. Continuing our journey from the user-friendly automation of Gusto and the analytical clarity of Xero, Zoho Payroll steps in as the professional-grade solution for growing enterprises. While Gusto is the friend of the startup and Xero is the brain of the accountant, Zoho Payroll is the engine of compliance, specifically built for businesses that need to scale across multiple regions without manual errors. In our real-world walkthrough, the dashboard for Priyanshu Srivastav greets us with a comprehensive Get Started checklist. We can clearly see the status of the organization setup, currently at 2/7 completion. This view provides a transparent roadmap, from providing tax details and configuring pay schedules to setting up statutory components like the Employees Provident Fund and professional tax. Unlike legacy tools, the navigation is anchored by a vertical sidebar that grants instant access to approvals, loans, and exhaustive reporting. As you define your organization's legal structure, Zoho handles the foundation of your automated filings. Compliance is handled with surgical precision. By entering your FEIN and selecting your tax deposit frequencies, you activate a system that manages both federal and state-specific taxes, such as California's DE4 with automated authorizations. To ensure seamless cash flow, the direct deposit setup, mirroring the security standards of Xero, initiates a secure bank verification process that takes just 2 to 3 business days. Adding your team is equally flexible. Navigating to the Employees tab, you can add staff individually or bulk CSV import. A major efficiency driver is the employee portal. Much like Gusto, Zoho empowers your staff with the self-service hub to download pay stubs, upload investment proofs, and view their tax liabilities, Form 16, which we see categorized in our sidebar navigation. The platform is designed for operational variety. Beyond regular payroll, the engine handles bonus and off-cycle runs. In our walkthrough, we see the Approvals module, a critical feature where managers review salary revisions and reimbursements before finalizing the run. Once approved, if you are integrated with Zoho Books, the system automatically generates journal entries, ensuring your payroll costs are instantly reflected in your financial ledgers. Ultimately, Zoho Payroll is the compliance king for the integrated enterprise. By bridging the gap between your HR data and your financial books, it eliminates the manual entry that often leads to regulatory penalties. It is a robust, scalable, and highly disciplined solution for the modern back office. QuickBooks Online, the industry titan. After exploring the startup-friendly automation of Gusto, the analytical clarity of Xero, and the compliance engine of Zoho, we arrive at the industry titan QuickBooks Online, QBO. If Xero is the beautiful accountant and Zoho is the compliant partner, QuickBooks is the all-encompassing authority. It is the platform that most external accountants prefer due to its massive feature set and deep integration history. A unique edge for QuickBooks is its built-in vendor management. As seen in the official setup guide, signing up for bill pay requires standard business credentials like your EIN and owner SSN. QuickBooks offers a bill pay basic tier that is often included in your subscription, allowing for 5 free ACH transactions per month. The setup is highly secure. Linking your business bank account utilizes encrypted connections like Chase or Wells Fargo to ensure your vendor payments are as safe as your employee paychecks. While many businesses choose to integrate Gusto with QuickBooks for advanced HR features, QBO's native payroll is a powerhouse for established teams. To begin a pay run, navigate to the payroll overview and select Pay My Team. The interface prioritizes date accuracy, prompting you to verify pay periods and paycheck dates immediately. A major efficiency driver is the Approve Time module. If your team uses QuickBooks Time, hours sync automatically. Otherwise, you can manually select employees and approve their hours in bulk. For added flexibility, QBO allows you to toggle payment methods on the fly, switching an employee from a paper check to direct deposit with just a few clicks, provided you have their routing and account numbers on hand. Before committing, the preview payroll screen provides a detailed breakdown of gross pay, employee taxes, and net pay. Once you select Submit Payroll, QuickBooks handles the heavy lifting of tax withholding and filing. Unlike Zoho, which requires extensive manual compliance checks, QuickBooks automates much of the tax-held logic, keeping your funds in escrow until the filing deadline. For UX and HR, if you want a one-click automated experience for US payroll and employee benefits with the cleanest UI in the industry, choose Gusto. For analytics, if you need high-level analytical visibility and real-time cash flow tracking wrapped in a beautiful data-driven dashboard, go with Xero. For compliance, if you're scaling a high-growth enterprise that requires rigid regulatory discipline and seamless synergy within the Zoho ecosystem, select Zoho Payroll. For authority, if you want the industry authority that every accountant trusts, backed by robust vendor management and the world's largest app marketplace, stick with QuickBooks. Selecting the right financial stack is more than just a setup choice. It's an investment in your company's scalability. If this breakdown helped you cut through the noise, make sure to follow SaaSTrack for more honest, expert software audits. We'll be back with a brand new video soon, diving deep into the next category of tools you need to dominate your market. Until then, keep growing and stay optimized. That's it for today. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more SaaSTrack reviews. We'll be back soon with the next one.